Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn an important topic of probability, that is playing cards. There are many questions from this topic, so let's learn this in brief. So let's begin. Okay, so in a pack of cards there are total 52 cards. Okay, so in a well shuffled pack there are total 52 cards. Okay, so our sample space will consist of all these 52 cards. Okay, so let's learn about this 52 cards in brief. Okay, so first thing you know that sample space consists of 52 cards. The number of S, that is number of sample points in sample space, will be 52. Okay, perfect. Next, now these 52 cards are distributed like 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Okay, so out of 52, half are red cards and half are black cards, like 26 and 26. Now first we'll learn about red cards. Okay, so out of this 26 red cards, 13 cards are in first set and 13 cards are in second set. So 13 cards are of heart type and 13 cards are of diamond type. Okay, so we represent heart by this shape, as you all know that, and diamond by this shape. Okay, so 13 heart and 13 diamond. Okay, now there are 3 face cards in each set. Okay, so that is king, queen and jack. So heart also consists of 3 face cards, diamond also consists of 3 face cards. Okay, now we'll see about black cards. So as we know that there are 26 black cards. Okay, so these 26 black cards are distributed in 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. Okay, so this is the sign or symbol or anything shape of club, and this is shape of spade, as you have seen on cards. Okay, similarly, so out of these 13 club cards there are 3 face cards, that is king, queen and jack. So these are known as face cards. And similarly, out of these 13 spade cards, king, queen and jack are face cards. Okay, so one set consists of 13 cards from number 1 to 10, and then king, queen and jack, or jack, queen and king, we can say. Okay, similarly, diamond also consists of 13, club consists of 13 and spade consists of 13. So this was overall representation of 52 playing cards in a sample space. So total face cards we can say 12. So let's see numerical related to cards. Okay, so a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of each event. So they have given us different events and we have to find probability of each event. So our first event is the card drawn is a red card. Okay, so let S be the sample space. So let S be the sample space. Okay, so number of S in this case will be 52, right, as we have total 52 cards. Okay, so our first event is a card drawn is red card. So let us consider that as event A. So event A is a red card, or a card drawn is red. Okay, a red card consists of 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. So we can write here, so 13 hearts plus 13 diamonds. Okay, so we have 26 red cards in total. So total red cards are 26, that is number of A is equal to 26. Okay, so now as we know that probability of event A, it will be number of A upon number of S. So it will be 26 upon 52. Okay, that is 1 upon 2. So probability that a card drawn is red is 1 upon 2. Same condition is applicable for black card. So if they'll ask find the probability such that a card drawn is a black card. So same, we have 26 black cards. So it will be 26 upon 52, that is 1 by 2. So our next event is a face card. So let B be an event such that a card drawn is a face card. So as we all know that there are total 12 face cards in a pack of 52 playing cards. So we can write total face cards. So it is equal to 12, like 3 in each set, king, queen, jack in each of the 4 sets. Okay. So we got number of B, it is equal to 12. So probability of B, it is equal to number of B upon number of S. So that is 12 upon 52. Okay. So this is second event. So our next event is a card drawn is a king. Okay. So as we all know that a pack of 52 cards contains 4 kings, right? So we can consider as let event C be such that a card drawn is a king. Okay. So number of C in this case will be 4 and probability of C will be number of C upon number of S. That will be 4 by 52. Okay, so we can solve it further. That is 4 ones are 4, 13s are. Okay, so 1 by 13. So same is applicable for a card drawn is a queen card or a card drawn is a jack card. So our next event is a card drawn is an ace card. Okay, so ace means a card number 1 card. Okay. So as we know that 52 playing cards consist of 4 ace cards. Okay. So let D be an event such that a card drawn is an ace card. So we can write number of D is equal to 4 as there are total 4 ace cards. And probability of D will be number of D by number of S. That will be 4 by 52. That will be 1 by 13. Okay. And our last event is such that a card drawn is a spade card. So let us consider let E be the event such that a card drawn is a spade. So as we all know that there are 13 spade cards in a pack of 52 cards. So we can write number of E is 13 in this case. Okay. So probability of E will be number of E upon number of S. So number of E is 13 and number of S is 52. That is 1 by 4. So this was probability when a card drawn is a spade card. Similarly, it is applicable to each set. So if they'll ask a card drawn is a heart, so same 13 by 52, or diamond same, or club same. Okay, so all the values will be 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. Hope so all your concepts related to probability are clear. Thank you, and please do like and subscribe to Only Mathematics.